Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we bring to you a complete breakdown of an economic crisis and more chains connected to it. So, do watch this video till the very end. Do you know what an economic crisis means? Well, an economic crisis is a sharp deterioration in the economic state of the country, manifested in a significant decline in production, violation of existing production relations, bankruptcy of enterprises, and rising unemployment. You might think you already know about it, but a lot of times people refer to financial crisis and economic crisis as the same. However, they are not. Typically, a financial crisis is the cause and precedes an economic crisis. Also, when an economic crisis lasts longer, it is known as recession, and if it is continued further, it is known as depression. You must be wondering how an economic crisis takes place. A lot of time people assume it to be happening because of political reasons and surfacing of black money. But the real reason behind a breakdown in any economy vary from case to case, although they are primarily caused by a fall in aggregate demand. A demand side shock could occur due to several factors such as a financial crisis, rise in interest rates, fall in assets prices, trade war, etc. There are some very uncommon reasons like black swan event. For example, the COVID-19 pandemic that happened in 2020. If a recession takes place, the main reason behind it will be unemployment, fall in income, rise in poverty, fall in asset prices, soaring inflation and lack of essentials, increased inequality and an increase in relative poverty, high government borrowings, firms go out of business, and social unrest.
After learning these, you must get reminded of one of the ongoing crisis जो कि भी हर कंट्री की न्यूज़ पे हेडलाइंस पे रहता है. Guess. Yeah, you guessed it right. It's just Sri Lanka. Asian Development Bank ने 2019 में कमेंट किया on Sri Lanka that it's like twin deficit economy, जिसका मतलब है नेशनल एक्सपेंडिचर जो है उस इकोनॉमी का वो ओवर हो चुका है ओवर द नेशनल इनकम and the tradable goods production. The current crisis was accelerated by the deep tax cuts by Rajpaksa during an election campaign in 2019, जो 2019 में कोविड आउटबर्स्ट हुआ था उससे जस्ट थोड़ा सा पहले हुआ था, जिसके कारण श्रीलंका की इकोनॉमी को बहुत नुकसान पहुंचा था. Now 1 Sri Lankan rupees is equals to 360 plus USD. इसका मतलब समझते हो, if they want to buy or import something then they have to pay more SLR, जिसका बहुत नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा उनकी इकोनॉमी पे. इन टर्न क्या हुआ, श्रीलंका डेट मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम विच वॉज dependent on assessing those markets derailed, and the foreign exchange reserves also get plummeted by 70% in just 2 years. और अब रिजर्व्स इतने कम हो चुके थे दैट इट वाज अनेबल टू इंपोर्ट फ्यूल्स एंड पेट्रोल्स, जिसके कारण प्राइस सोर होने स्टार्ट हो गए थे. इन्फ्लेशन रेट जो कि इन द वेरी सेम ईयर जनवरी में 15% था वो 30% हो चुका है. नेक्स्ट, ऑल्सो द पार्टीज बीइंग सोशलिस्ट और कम्युनिस्ट लीड्स टू यूज इंटरफेरेंस ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इन ऑल इकोनॉमिक एस्पेक्ट्स इंक्लूडिंग बिजनेस. राजपक्सा, द फैमिली ऑफ द करंट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ श्रीलंका, उनके हाथ में 70% ऑफ बजट ऑफ श्रीलंका था, तो उन्होंने बहुत मिसमैनेज किया फाइनेंस को और उन्होंने नेशनल इनकम से ज़्यादा स्पेंड भी किया. एंड दे आर इवन क्लेमिंग स्पेक्यूलेटर्स फॉर द रीजन ऑफ करेंट क्राइसिस. There are quite number of countries that could lead up in the same way as Sri Lanka does and can also ruin their economy. Number 1, experts in the field state that Colombo is just the canary in the coal mine. Second, Middle Eastern countries like Egypt, Tunisia, Latin American countries like EI, Salvador, Argentina, African countries of Ghana, Kenya, and Asian countries like Pakistan might be the next one to fail. Last one. In fact, India, maybe some states' debt to GDP ratio is similar to that of Sri Lanka, basically in West Bengal, Punjab, Bihar and Andhra Pradesh. In fact, if we are not going to take proper measures, populist measures in these states could ruin these economies. It doesn't mean that it is the end of the economy. कुछ प्रिकॉशंस, कुछ मेजर्स होते हैं टू जस्ट फॉर अ सेफ एंड हेल्दी इकोनॉमी, बट इन केस इफ एन इकोनॉमी इज जस्ट स्टक इन अ स्पायरल, तो उसके लिए कुछ स्टेप्स है जो हम ले सकते हैं जिससे हम जल्दी से जल्दी रिकवर कर सकें फ्रॉम दैट रिसेशन. Economic recovery is a business cycle following a recession characterized by a sustained period of improving business activity. And basically ये जो इकोनॉमिकल रिकवरी होती है इसमें क्या होता है, हमारी इनकम राइज होती है और अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉल होती है, जीडीपी राइज होती है. क्यों? क्योंकि बिकॉज द इकोनॉमी इज रिबाउंडिंग. So the some of the steps or measures that you can take for the recovery of crisis are as follows. So the number 1, adjustment and adaptation to the new policies, including the factors that triggered the recession in the first place. Second one, introduction to new policies and rules by central banks or government in response to the recession. So the third one, introduce structural reforms according to the situation. Fourth point, improve the budget to tackle the fiscal deficit. Promote alternatives to borrowing and use the borrowed funds in a profitable manner. Next, understand the structure of deficit, because sometimes deficit is not just because your expenditure is increasing, it's just because your revenue is decreasing. Eliminate unemployment by creating more white-collar jobs, because more incomes means more taxes. And the last one is clear and progressive tax programs can also reduce the chances of recession. And of course the chances of borrowing.
I hope you liked our video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Also, do drop your suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.